3M Healthcare. Not in retail packaging, factory packaged. 2 3/8 x 2 3/4, 6 by 7 centimeters. Window frame. A breathable, transparent film dressing, impermeable to liquids, bacteria, and viruses and designed for protecting skin and wound sites. 3 meters Tegaderm transparent film dressing 2.375 by 2.75/picture frame style/package of 20. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars. Perfect. I bought this as my husband as a Libre sensor as he is type 1 diabetic. The sensor never stays on for the full 2 weeks, and we needed something that would hold it on for the bit longer when you could see the stickiness on the Libre was starting to go. I bought these on a chance really, I wasn't sure if they would fit over the sensor, but for the price was willing to give it a try. They are very sticky, but aren't like plasters, like I imagined, they are more a clear sticky film. Peel the backing off, place over the top of the sensor and stick down. It did start to curl up at the edges after a few days, but stayed in place over the sensor, even after showers. If needed, just add another one over the top. The only thing that concerned me was as they were really sticky, if you tried to remove it early, it may take the sensor with it, so caution if you try that. Apart from that, great for Libre users for a bit of extra adhesion.